I'll be right back.
I'll be waiting. Do you mind if I smoke?
Only if you don't mind putting another piece of gum in your mouth there, Smokey.
You first. This isn't working.
What?
I said this isn't working for me.
God, how do I say this? The other day, you know, when we hooked up, you know.
I remember. Nice.
Yeah, it wasn't good. I mean, you know, you were there and I was there, but it wasn't, it's just not. It's just not doing it for me. Doing it for me. Doing it for me. Doing it for me. Doing it for me.
What's wrong with you?
So how was date night last night? Did you have a good date?
It was cool. It was cool, but
Yeah.
you know, we decided to take things slow. You know.
What does that mean? It means you didn't like her?
No, she was cool. She was cool, but I mean, it's probably better to see other people.
Oh, she didn't like you. I get it. Taking it slow. All right. I have a girlfriend I could hook you up with. She's really cute. She's down to earth. She's not desperate. She's cool.
Okay.
You interested?
So where on my face does this say I need your help to meet some girls?
Everywhere. What do you mean? Like,
I don't need your help. I got my own method, and it works for me. Yes, I have a method.
what's this method?
So if you must know,
And I must.
it's the shotgun method.
Shotgun.
Yeah.
Okay. The hell is that?
It's like a shotgun. Like,
Oh, you like shoot them and then they can't. What do you mean? It's
I
like
mean,
a
I go
shotgun.
after a lot of girls, and then I'm bound to hit one of them.
Oh, so you just go on like a spree. It's like one chick after the next until you finally get one.
Yeah.
How's that working for you?
Because
Because it sounds sloppy, my friend. I don't know if I like that.
It works for me.
Okay.
Is this your apartment?
Yeah.
This is where you live?
Yeah.
You gotta be kidding. This is your apartment?
Yeah.
Your whole apartment? Wait. This is your place?
Before you start judging, let me just give you the tour first.
The tour?
The tour. We got the computer room right there, bedroom right there. That's my entertainment center, and that's my kitchen.
Oh! That's all?
Well, I mean, and then there's the bathroom, but I like to focus on the main room.
The main room?
What do you think?
We're just two different people. We're not on the same level. When you said director, I was thinking director.
I'm not at that level yet, but I will soon be. I think of me as like a work in progress.
That's the worst kind of work. So you don't have a car?
No.
We're in LA. How do you get around? Everyone has a car.
Well, everyone except for me, because I have a dream. And that is what gets me around the city.
Are you kidnapping me?
What?
Is this like a hostage room where you bring everybody and you store them in that bathroom supposedly? Okay. I feel very uncomfortable right now.
Getting kind of late, right?
It's like 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
Napping hour is 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock is napping hour.
I never heard that before.
Really? Oh, that's weird.
I'm a jet setter. I jet set around the world, and I'm not, good with this sort of thing.
Well, when I was 25, I just
When you're 25? How old are you?
Well, I'm 30.
I'm 21. Okay, at 30, you should have a stable income, a stable job, and be able to provide much better than this.
Well, I mean, I have a dream, and so...
You have a dream, I have a dream, we all have a dream. But sometimes you have to let go of the dream and focus on the reality.
Your apartment's a shithole? It's really bad. It's really, really bad. I can't do this. This is too much. I mean, have you seen your kitchen? I just don't feel comfortable with doing this, We're from very different lifestyles. I don't see this working out for either of us.
Ava, so, what does your friend look like again?